I hope there are no Italians rolling in the grave after doing this, because we have taken their dish and bastardized it in a way that they will never understand.
My name is DeAille.
My name is Simon Wong.
I am one of the two head chefs here at Bo Shanghai. So the Vitello Tonnato is a dish based from northern Italy, and traditionally it's actually a piece of veal, and they will serve that with a special sauce like a mayonnaise, but it's made with tuna.
I wanted to recreate this dish as homage to my time spent in Italy.
And then we were like, so what if we were to flip everything backward?
So the tuna, we have o-toro and chu-toro coming from Bluefin tuna from Nagasaki in Japan. We take that, season it, and then lightly torch it. And then we brush it with veal jus. So instead of veal loin, we have broken down that component and turned it into a sauce. There's a small seaweed salad, which they eat prominently in Fujian, which has been doused in a little bit of bagna cauda.
Bagna cauda is a traditional Italian sauce made with a lot of dry seafood like anchovies and confit garlic, vinegar, similar to some of the ideas for Fujian cuisine, which they use dry shrimp and dry fish as well.
There's a red wine must sorbetto. Red wine must is something that's famous in the region of Fujian. Every family has a recipe. They take it and then they ferment it.
And they oftentimes do serve that with fish. So we combine the two Italian and Fujian together in that sense.
It's important that when you are deconstructing or recreating a classic, you still maintain the integrity of the dish or the flavor of a lot of the inherent components. And that's what's the most challenging, yet the most important thing about moving forward with one eye in the past and one eye in the future. This is the fusion of where Chinese meets Italian.